All right. The one that has been disposed of today, it's a case of one of the persons who claimed that he was excluded from contesting in Akwa Ibom. By the way, that's the governorship of Akwa Ibom. There's a gentleman, Jeremiah Akpan Udoh, and his case was that he was excluded. And we had told the tribunal that he did not qualify as a candidate and that there's no provision for exclusion. It's not a ground for filing petition. And the tribunal agreed with us. He was not satisfied. He went to the Court of Appeal. We explained the same thing, that he does not have the standing because he doesn't qualify in the terms of the Electoral Act, not being a candidate in the election, which he acknowledged that he wasn't. And the Court of Appeal again agreed with what the tribunal said. They affirmed the decision of the tribunal. But again, he wasn't satisfied, so he still decided to come upstairs to the Supreme Courts. And in the Supreme Courts, to be fair to him, by the time their lordships pointed out that there could be a challenge on local standing, that he does not have the standing since he did not contest the election, he's not a candidate, he graciously decided to withdraw the appeal. So the appeal was struck out, and that is the end of that particular matter. Right? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Godfrey. 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 The counsel that spoke.